Hi everybody, I'm Danish Living. What kind of dumplings do you like? I will make shrimp and chicken dumplings today. I always like to make the dough first. Salt is a must to be added. For me, the oil can be an option. The proportion of flour and water is around 2 and 1. But just be careful. The water used can be varied a bit. It really depends on the quality of flowers. Different regions would have different quality of flowers, which will require varied quantity of water. While resting the dough for 30 minutes, we can make the fillings. For making the fillings, I would like to use shrimps with chicken meat, but any kind of meat can be used to make the fillings as you like. You can find all ingredients I used for making the filling in the description area under this video. I have tried to use as less ingredients as possible to make this filling, so that there will not be too much juice from the meat used. The dark soy sauce has not been added in order to keep the light color of the filling. Vegetable oil and sesame oil I have also used in this filling, but I forgot to make a video for them. Now it's easy to knead the dough smoothly after 30 minutes. Rest for around 30 minutes again before making the dumpling wrappers. The dough is quite soft now. Cut a portion to roll it to a longer strip, depending on the size of dumplings you would like to make. The strip can be thinner if you want to make a smaller size of dumplings. Apply some flour if the dough is too sticky. Roll out the small dough to a thinner slice. The best wrapper would be thinner on the edge and thicker on the center. We can also use a kind of round form to make the wrappers in perfectly the same size. There is no rule to make which kind of dumpling. Just wrap it as you would like your own dumplings to be. This is the one I would like to make when I miss my parents and my family in China. It's a kind of traditional dumpling form called Yingers dumpling. Put the dumplings into the pot while the water is boiling. Right after the dumplings are in the pot, we should move gently the dumplings a bit by using a fork so that they can't be sticked on the bottom of the pot. And apply some cold water. Put the lid on it. We need to put cold water 3 times before the dumplings are ready to be taken out of the pot. This can be a rule to recognize if the dumplings are ready or not. You can have the dumplings as they are boiled. They would be quite fresh and delicious. Any kind of dip can be used as you like. We have different dips in my family, and this one is my own style. Chili sauce is made by myself. You can find the link how to make it in the description area. I'm Danish Living. See you in my next video.